Well, today I'm outside of Spring Valley, Illinois, down by the Illinois River, to do some pictures and video of the new bridge being built crossing the Illinois River. So, should be entertaining.
Well, I had to come back and land due to a whole flock of birds that were very attracted to the drone. Just for added kicks, I thought I would include the video clip of the birds coming after my drone. It is kind of interesting when you see just how close they will get to it. After a slight delay of hiding from the birds, it's back up into the sky again.
Gonna have to cut today's short. Tablet went dead while it was out there, and now the rain has picked up to where it may not be a good thing to be flying. Well, after a slight rain delay and my tablet dying on me, we're going to continue and try to get some flight time in down at the bridge construction site. Just have to use the phone as a backup tablet.
So you got a drone someplace, right?
Yeah, right there. No birds, cool.
As you can see towards the end of the flight, I did attract several kids to come hang out and watch me fly.
Even with the slight rain delay, the tablet dying, and the wind picking up, I did eventually was able to get it up in the air and fly around and get some good pictures, hopefully. Today I used 1.5 batteries, and any more questions, please send them to me, let me know. Enjoy. Till next time.